This is a clip of me on August 23rd, 2025, day one of my 25-26 transformation journey. Welcome back to the channel, fitness enthusiast. The footage I'll be covering today was recorded on September 30th, 2025. It is of Yakar and myself working chest and triceps on day 39. Gym time. Let's get it. Alright y'all, very first exercise for chest. Dumbbell bench press. Usually when I fall back with the dumbbells, I simultaneously extend my arms so that by the time I'm back at the pad, I'm already into a ranged position. This method allows me to preserve energy that I might need to properly execute each rep and finish the set strong. Speaking of strong, I didn't have very much strength on that day. In fact, the 40 kg felt extremely heavy. Here's Yakar doing his thing. He and I bust out 12 reps for one warm-up set, followed by 8 to 10 reps for 3 working sets. Alright, second exercise for chest. Smith machine incline chest press. Preferably elbows should be about 45 degrees from the body, not fully flared to prevent from injuring the shoulders. Closer the grip engages more triceps. Wider the grip engages more chest. I'm giving this set everything I got, leaving nothing left in the tank. Call this man Mr. Yakar. At 63, he's raising the bar. We dropped until we stopped for 3 sets. Just checking the settings before I proceed with the third and final exercise for chest. Machine pec fly, make even shy girls say hi. Yes, we're doing a drop set again. Want to lose weight? Increase the volume with drop sets. Know your acute training variables. Acute training variables are the fundamental adjustable components of a workout. Exercises, reps, sets, intensity, tempo, rest intervals, volume, frequency, duration, and enjoyment. Therefore, make it interesting and have fun with it. Yes sir, a shot of my fat, sweaty face, and Yakar wrapping up his final set. Come on Yakar, you got this buddy. We bust out 15 total reps for 3 drop sets. Alright y'all, first exercise for triceps. Tricep push down to make the haters frown. I'm usually standing within 12 to 24 inches of the pole, therefore mimicking the natural pull of the cable, while avoiding excessive stress on the core. Nevertheless, if you want to bring out details, lock out at the bottom. Just like so. And this is your card set. We bust out 12 reps for 3 working sets. Alright, second exercise for triceps. Machine tricep extension to get her attention. This is my favorite tricep exercise. I feel the burn on this one more than I do any other, while avoiding the unwanted elbow tendonitis. Notice, on the negative I fully lengthen my triceps, and on the positive I fully shorten them by locking out at the top. All about gaining that horseshoe and bringing out the details. Now it's on Yakar. We bust out 12 total reps for 3 drop sets. Wow, look at this handsome fella. Hate to say, but this is the last exercise for the day. Machine tricep dips to pull chicks with hips. Of course, the stack is too light. Therefore, I slapped on a 25 kg plate to increase the intensity rate. Yes, triceps are one of my most dominant muscles, and not to mention, one of my strongest. Here's your card set. We bust out 12 reps for 3 sets. Be considerate towards others. and always re-rack the plates. I'm Conductor Trainer. Refer to the comment section for Q&A. So long. Until next time, stay in your prime.